In previous video we have discussed about how to write the Weddell's formula. Now let's see an example how to evaluate integral numerically by using Weddell's rule. Remember, Weddell's rule always the number of points to be multiple of 6 or multiple of 6 or 12. Here in this case we have given 7 points. When you have 7 points, the number of subintervals are going to be less by 1, that is 7 minus 1, that is 6. And the interval is given as a 4 to 5.2. A value is 4 and the B value is 5.2. And the function is ln x or log x base c. In your calculator, in your scientific calculator, you will find this button. So log x base c basically is natural logarithm function. The step size calculation is same in this process also. H is equals to b minus a by n. So when you substitute the points, 5.2 minus 4 divided by 6 subintervals we have, so you will get it as 1.2 by 6, and further simplification will give you step size as 0.2. This is the step size h. Now you have to add the step size h continuously starting from 4 to 5.2 so that you will get the points. Then let us calculate the points here. First one is 4, the last point given in the problem 4 to 5.2. No, so adding step size h 0.2, it is 4.2. Once again, if you add h value 0.2, you will get 4.4. Next add h value 0.2, you will get 4.6. Next 4.8. Next 5.0, and next 5.2. These are basically x values. Compute f of x values by using the given function. In this case, the given function is log x base e or ln x, log x base e. So calculate in your scientific calculator, use the ln button, and to calculate these values, the values goes like this: 1.3863 when you give x value as 4, and the next value 1.4351. The next one, it is 4.4, it is 1.4816. The next 1.5261. The next is 1.5686, and the next 1.6094. Next value 1.6487. These are basically the values of y starting from y0 to y6. This is y0 value, y1, y2, y3, and y4, y5, y6. Now write the Weddell's rule formula and substitute these y0 to y6 values. In previous video I have given how to write the Weddell's formula for 6 intervals. See interval a to b f of x dx. In case of Weddell's rule, the formula is 3h by 10 into 1 into y0 plus 5 into y1 plus 1 into y2 plus 6 into y3 plus 1 into y4 plus 5 into y5 plus 1 into y6. I told you to remember the pattern 1516151 so that it is easy to write them. If you remember this pattern 1516151 ordinates from y0 to y6, it will be easy to write the formula. Now substitute the values. What are the values you know in this case? Substitute values of y0 to y6 and simplify. You know y0 to y6 values from the previous table. See, So these are the values from y0 to y6. Substitute these values in this formula and simplify. On simplification, you'll get the value as 1.8279. We'll see in next video one more example of Weddle's rule.